Shoshi knows how to sit up now, all by herself. You're so big. Okay, first go back. Should we go back? Ready? Put your head back. Put your head back. All the way down. And now look what she does. All by yourself, you sat all the way up. I know, it's crazy. Should we do it one more time? Ready? Go all the way back. Back. Put your head up. Oh, ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You stood up so incredibly well. Better than adults do. You have such strong stomach muscles. You love blowing bubbles, huh? Yeah? You can't even decide what to do. You're just so excited. You want to do everything. You're so funny. You're so funny. You are. You want to sit up again?